Hi everybody, this is Moviegoer Lisa 007 and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I found this broken chain. My mom sells these at her wholesale shop called A&D Wholesale in Virginia. Now, the thing about these chains that if you don't know the proper vocabulary or know how to fix it, it's good to know what to do. Because I've been doing this for over 14 years of experience. It's very simple how to fix, but the clasps will be different. This is the original clasp, and I'm going to show you that it's an easy fix. There's a jump ring right here. You open this jump ring where I'm pointing to with my thumb, right there, between my two fingers. You open that. And you change this clasp. You can tell it's broken. See, it doesn't go all the way. So in this video tutorial, I just poked myself. That will happen. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to replace this lobster clasp. First things first, what you'll need are jump ring and a lobster clasp. Be right back. Welcome back. This is the lobster clasp that we need. It's a brand new one. Part of my stash I had for a long time. Still in excellent condition. And it works. So, what we're going to do is connect it by putting this little hole right there where I'm pointing to with my finger. I don't know if you can see that because it's a little bit blurry. Trying to focus it. There it goes. Where my thumb is, right there. I'm going to hook it up the chain to the clasp right there. So we're going to take this off. I'm going to take the jump ring off, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. What you'll need for these pliers are the round nose pliers and these pliers. These are all pliers that the jewelry people use. So these are the two best bet you'll have with this project. So you need this, and you'll need the round nose pliers and chain nose pliers. Round nose, chain nose. Alright. And we're back. Here is the lobster and the jump ring. Let's see if we can get that jump ring. Take a few minutes to find that. There it is. Okay, when you run into a problem, if your other pliers don't work, get the flatten nose pliers, and maybe that should work. That's what happened to me. My fingers are just too big, and I gotta find the hook again. Gonna have to do this on camera. Be right back. Okay, when things don't go your way as planned, I had to break the jump ring with this. So, not to worry, I have this little guy that's similar to the one I just broke. So, I'm gonna try to change the lobster clasp. You're gonna watch me do it. So, alright, let's get the new lobster clasp. Just twist it to open it. I'm gonna try to do this on camera. I don't know if you guys can see me, but I hope you guys can. You slip it. Sometimes it's harder to do things on camera. But I wanted to show you guys what I can do, what type of skills that I learned along the way. So if you guys want to refer back to this tutorial, you can to fix. See if I can get it. Oops. That will happen a lot of times. Okay, you'll drop things. Nobody's perfect. Only person who's perfect is God. Just give it a gentle squeeze a few times. And there you have it. A new clasp. It works. And that's it. The tutorial's done. I hope you guys can see everything. Just let me know if you have not. So, this is the new chain. There you have it. A beautiful new necklace. This is gold plated. It's costume jewelry. All made in Korea or China. There it is. There you have it. Up close. See, the jump ring looks similar, but I just changed it. Right there's the jump ring. When you took the jump ring off, use your cutter, your round nose plier, flat nose plier. These are flat nose. And the chain nose pliers. I'm using a special tool called the third helping hand, and I got mine off of Amazon or pluscompare.com. And these things come in really handy because if your hands are too big or too small, you can just slip it right through here, hold it, and it will hold. You need one. This is called third helping hand tool. I learned this trick off. I took a class on Beadaholic, And that's where I got this tool. I got all my tools online and some at Michael's, and I've been using them ever since. Nobody has taught me anything. I learned all this stuff on my own. Like I said, I have over 14 years of experience of making jewelry and fixing stuff, and it's a lot of fun. This gives me great pleasure to do this tutorial with you guys on how to fix a broken chain. Not many people know how to do this, except for the people who are into the jewelry business. Well, thank you all for joining me. And if you hear a little bit of a noise, my new craft room is underneath the garage. So I apologize for that noise. And we downsized. We moved into a new house in a new neighborhood, but in the same state. I'm still in Virginia. And that's all you need to know. And take care, everybody. See you next time. I hope you give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Moviegoers signing out. Bye.